Hello there, welcome. Today we are making a delicious, zesty comfort food potato salad. It's a classic. So to start, we need to cook our potatoes. I prefer a skin-on potato, which would either be like Yukon Gold potatoes or red potatoes. And take nice, clean, organic potatoes, put them in your pot, and then we're gonna fill them just to the top with cold water. Once we have our potatoes submerged in water, we'll go ahead and cover those and boil them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're soft. All right, so we have our fresh celery stalks, which are a great source of fiber, and I prefer smaller, more bite-sized pieces in my dishes. And we just need about a cup. Our next ingredient will be nice, clean, fresh dill, which has wonderful flavor. It's totally different than dried dill. I usually just trim off. You want to take these larger stalks and just go ahead and pull. And again, with a rough chop, you probably want to have about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And to finish up and round out the ingredients, we need any kind of vegan mayonnaise you prefer, as well as whole grain mustard, salt, and pepper to taste. All right, now that our potatoes are boiled and soft, we're gonna go ahead and cut them into about 1-inch cubes. I prefer to leave my skin on for potato salad. You absolutely could peel them before you boil it. Potato salad is one of the few things that you can really create ahead of time and let sit. So if your picnic or party is in 2 or 3 days, you can totally make it ahead of time and then just zhuzh it up with an extra stir, and it will just have absorbed those flavors a little more. And now we'll go ahead and assemble the rest of the potato salad. Start with our vegan mayonnaise. So with vegan mayonnaise, there are a number of different kinds, and it can be found at any supermarket. It's usually in the refrigerator section near the tofu and other vegan items. I like whole grain mustard. You can also use ground mustard, yellow mustard, that totally works as well. And then we'll go ahead and go in with our crunch and flavor. So we have our already cut celery and dill. The fresh dill adds a really lovely, zesty flavor, very fresh, very summery. And then season with salt and pepper. All right, so we'll go ahead and serve that up. And now we have our fresh potato salad. Let's give it a taste. Tastes like summer. We have a nice fresh dill flavor with the mustard, and then the textures of the potato with the contrast of the celery are just perfect.